advent calendar unboxing for you. I have got, this is an Amazon one. It's just a random brand on Amazon, but this is the Bath and Body advent calendar. Now this was, I've got it written down here, £9.98, so absolutely like such a cheap advent calendar. It's got the most cutest little proper Christmas design. I love a good proper Christmas design. Christmas is my favourite time of the year, Halloween and Christmas. Yeah, so I think it's super cute. This works out at 41p a day, and it is the most cutest little advent calendar ever. So this is a Bath and Body one from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below, I always do. Yeah, and it's still available as I'm filming this. I'm really sorry that the Bomb Cosmetics one wasn't available by the time the video went up, but there is a waiting list. Yeah, so this works out at 41p a day, and according to this little advent calendar, you get 24 Bath and Body products. I feel like due to the cutesy design, this is aimed at younger kids and teens maybe, and this has got like a stacking system. So, and anyways, let's get into unboxing this advent calendar. So like I was saying before, this works out at 41p a day, and it has got these gorgeous little like boxway designs. So we want day number 1. Day number 1 is a strawberry and vanilla shower gel, and it is in the most cutesiest packaging. It has a hygiene seal too, which is good. Oh, that smells really, really nice. Smells really nice. So that was day number 1. So we want day number 2, and we have a bath, little heart bath fizzer in day number 2. Oh, it's really cute. It hasn't got much of a smell. It's got a sticker here with all the ingredients on the box and all. Remember, this is 41p a day. It says it was a white tea bath fizzer. So we want day number 3. We have a toe separator. We have 1 toe separator. I really gripes me 1 toe separator. I've just got to remember it's 41p a day, but I feel like you could get 2 toe separators for 41p. Just saying. We want day number 4. And we have a strawberry and vanilla soap. Just has a very mild scent, Day number 5. I love this little drop box design. Right, we've got another little bathing product. It is the strawberry and vanilla shampoo. I mean, a shampoo. I mean, I don't know what it would do for your hair, you know. It smells really nice, but like I say, I don't know what it would do for your hair. Day number 6. Oh my god, it is the most cutest little nail brush, and I'm actually going to keep this for myself because I was saying the other day I needed a nail brush to get underneath my nails. So we've got a cute little nail brush, which I mean 41p sounds about right. Day number 7. We have got nail files. This has got to be the most cutest little packet of nail files I've seen in my life. These are the matchstick nail files. Yeah. Oh my god, they look so cute, so cute. So that was date number 7. And date number 8, we have 1 bath pearl. I feel like they could have given us more than 1 bath pearl, but I have had 1 bath pearl on a more expensive day, on a more expensive advent calendar, but I feel like they could have given us more than 1 bath pearl. Day number 9 is Puffy. Is a bath loofah. It's probably a quite flat bath loofah, but I think that's good. I think that's good. Day number 10. Oh, is bath salts. This is the strawberry and vanilla bath salts. It just has that mild scent. I feel like these are mild scented because I think this is aimed at children, so they're not putting too much perfumes in. Day number 11 is heavy. Oh, we've got a donut soap. Oh no, it's a bath fizzer. It's a bath fizzer. It doesn't say it's scent. I don't think it has a scent. Just a non-scented bath fizzer. Day number 12. I'm loving this outfit, calendar. I'm so sad. I know I am. Right, day number 12. Oh my god, look at this. If you love stuff like this. This is a soap, but it's in the shape of a cherub. Look at that. Wow. That's got to put some design into it, hasn't it? That was day number 12. So we're on day number 13. Day number 13. Oh, it's a lip balm. Just a heart lip balm. It's in vanilla. Day number 14. Day number 15. And we've got a little mirror, but it's the mirrors fell out. It's not sharp or anything, like, thank god, but if it was, it would be kind of dangerous. I'll glue that back in. It's cute. Yeah, day number 15. We want day number 16, and we have some bath petals. They have very minimal smell to them, like there is very minimal smell to them. Day number 17. Oh, this is really heavy. Day number 17 is a bath fizzer, and it is a star bath fizzer. This is really, really heavy. That's a good little product to get. We want day number 18. This is heavy and all. It's a soap, I think. It's the strawberry and vanilla scent soap. Day number 19 is a pumice stone. That's good, something different. Day number 20 is, I'm hoping, the conditioner, hand and nail cream in the strawberry and vanilla scent. Day number 21 is a larger nail file. Actually, it's quite a nice nail file, especially for the 41 pence a day, but nail files are really cheap. Like, I know how cheap nail files are, you know. But yeah, it's nice, but we've already had nail files, so I feel like we could have had something other than that. But I mean, it's 41 pence a day. I've got to remember that. I've got to remember that. I can't get it back in. Day number 22 is a beautiful star-shaped soap. These are really pretty, like really pretty, like, yeah. Day number 23, what we've got in here, we've got toenail clippers. Yeah, I think that's good. It's something, isn't it? And then day number 24, last day of the month, What are we getting? We are getting a vanilla lip gloss. That is really quite pretty. You know what? It's not the most bestest, strongest made advent calendar, but it's got the quite pretty cutesy sort of design to it. It's got okay products for the 41 pence a day. Obviously I'm an adult and it's definitely not something like I would rush out and buy for myself 100%, but like say a young girl, especially obviously if they've got sensitive skin, maybe avoid it because it's got bath bombs, little shower gels in. I feel like they could have put a conditioner, go with a little shampoo. That's a good, it's a little grape, but it's a grape. But yeah, I feel like you could reuse it if you were careful enough of it. It's not the most sturdiest, but you could definitely reuse it and make your own little advent calendar and put little things in. You know, if you wanted to make them little doors a little bit better. I liked it. I liked it. Yeah. I feel like it's aimed at young girls, maybe 9, 10, 11, around that age group. Maybe not older, you know, like ones that are getting into makeup. Yeah, I thought this was good for a little girl that doesn't have sensitive skin, obviously. But I will say all the products, and it's got all the ingredients on the back so you can look at them. But all the products have very minimal scent in them. So I think that's something to look at. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, so I thought it was worth money. I will have a link down below, maybe if you wanted to get this for your niece or your little girl or something like that. I feel like it's quite cutesy. I think a little girl would feel very special getting that. I think so, a young girl. But I'm doing advent calendars unboxings, one every week, maybe sometimes more, depending on if I want to get that up as quick as possible. But if you haven't already, please subscribe down below. I would love it if you just come and subscribe. I'm doing a giveaway at the end of this month because I've just hit 2,000 subscribers. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!